little sleepover part 1. I can't wait to start doing makeup. I bought the zombie kit, which is not the zombie kit, the Frankenstein kit. And I bought the, it's the mummy kit. And then I bought the werewolf and vampire kit. Too bad Dracula couldn't make it. Yeah, she said her dad had an important meeting with someone. Blood. Totally. That ghoul has a cool dad. Can you pass me my glasses? I'm gonna do Frankie. Ugh. Alright, it's time to switch. Now you do me, Gloria. You like it? Oh, that's a good. That's a good. You did perfect on me, Frankie. Looks a mummy-rific. Alright, now the winning, whoever does the best makeup that wins this, does the makeup on me. Alright, go. Bzz, bzz. Cleo, your phone's ringing. Hey, can you do it for me? Sure, Ghoul. It's Deuce. Answer it. Hi, Deuce. Hi, is Cleo there? She's busy at the minute. Well, I think she left Gloria's leggings in this room, so I'm gonna throw them down. Okay? Oh no, they got caught in the light. That looks weird. Right, we're going to keep moving the light down. It's cool how you have get more down. Alright, now I think. Alright, I'm gonna go get it. Gloria, the leggings for the dance are there. Alright, I'll put them in there. Alright, once I'm done, Frankie, I'm gonna go get the dress that Gloria picked out. The dance. Wonder why the boys are having their sleepover the same day as ours. Probably because our parents let us out. Because didn't your parents say that you could go out partying? You and your brother? Yeah, Harleen had to stay in her cage. And in her kennel. I have my own kennel. It's so big. Our rooms are like kennels, but bigger. Alright guys, I almost got it. I'm just fixing it up. Gloria, you're gonna look terrific. I mean, delicious. Alright, this is the dress. And she's gonna wear that hairdo with those leggings. Gloria, you're gonna look terrific. I mean, delicious. Delicious. I'm gonna show you the dress that my mom chose. It's only a paper dress right now, but it says they're gonna make it. But I don't like it. I don't wanna wear it. Hi. It's ugly. My mom chose it. Here it is. Yeah, that is so not you. Yeah, I know. I already got my other dress picked out. My mom said whichever one looks better, I get to wear. And I hope the one that I'm buying looks way better. Alright, Frankie, you can look in the mirror. My boys sleep over. How long have I been sleeping for? Only like an hour. What time is it? 6. Oh, I want to go to bed and sleep for the rest of the night. Boy, you have problems. Problems. Hey, someone's calling me. Yo, this is Deuce. I'm not on the loose. Just because a Coffin Corridor doesn't mean there's new statues, and it doesn't mean I did it. Okay, I'll do that spell mode. Yes, I'll be there in a minute. Bye. I have to go to the school. Because they think I turned the new statues in Coffin Corridor. I made them, but I didn't. Hello? You turned into stone, dude. I better go put my glasses on. Bye. I have to go. I can go look. I have a feeling I'm gonna look ghoulish. I'm Mummy Mimic. Good thing I bought a new one, because then I look the same as every day. This is the makeup I want to wear to the door to dance so bad now. You should. Can I dress it? I'm wearing a bolt dress with like this blue belt, and I'm wearing pink leggings. These pink leggings, and I'm gonna wear like this pink half sweater shirt. You're gonna look perfect, like a ghoul girl. I'm wearing this purple dress like ghoul. Not ghoul, yeah. Dress Aurora, I think. It's gonna be awesome. I'm wearing this. I wore it tonight so I could just wear it out a little. It's kind of stiff and I don't want to be dancing stiffly. But dance. Deuce. Oh yeah, I didn't know what Deuce is wearing. He wore it to school yesterday. I told him not to. Oh, the dress I'm wearing is kind of like that bolts on here. But it's way bigger, of course. Oh, I'll go. These are the shoes I'm going to wear over there. Just letting them air out a little to the dance. Do they look at the back? You can see. Those are so pretty. Go get yours. Whoa. I know you're gonna look good. Those are awesome. Yeah, those are pumps. And I'm gonna wear my Green Beach glasses from Green Beach that I bought. Green Beach was so fun. Hey, Gloria, you brought your dead fast thing? Oh. Can I read it? Can I scream out loud? Help me. Then this guy, the dead fast guy goes and says, I'll help you, miss. Then it says, and then he saves her. The end. Oh, I've always wanted to see one of these. Action figure. What does it say to that? It says it has Monster High School on it. Oh yes, you want it. Oh, it's also the back. Well, I guess we should be going to bed. Good night, ghouls. Wait, who's gonna sleep with me again? I'm sleeping with you. I'm sleeping on the floor. Yeah, because you said you're used to it. Yeah, I do every time we go camping. Who's sleeping in the bed? You can. Gula, is that okay? Oh, I think so, Gula. Good night. Who said that? It's one of the boys. That was an awesome joke you played on the girls. Didn't scare them. Hey, you're already in stone. Yeah. I'll go up. Roxana, see, help me. if she bites me, which hurt, come out the stove. That's really cool, yo. I'm back. We should go to bed. How's it meeting? Good. Really good. I got saved in ya. I don't think she's gonna be able to move. She sleeps hard. And when she sleeps, she gets heavy. No. We'll see you guys in the morning. What was that? It was just the couch that closed. Good night, guys. Good night. Wait. Just making sure none of the boys came down. Right. Good. Good night. 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 Good night.